Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I am Nurhayati. In this video, I would like to give a demonstration on finding an equation of a tangent line to the curve. To do this, let's first recall the definition of the tangent line to the curve. The tangent line to the curve y equal to fx at the point PAFA is the line through P with slope m is equal to limit of fx minus fa over x minus a, where x is approaching to a, provided that this limit exists. Okay, let me explain it first. Okay, let's say I have a curve. Okay, let me sketch the curve. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis, and the curve is something looks like this, and I name this curve as y equal to fx. And at this curve I have a point P here, let's say here, that touch the curve. Okay, so what does it mean by tangent line to the curve is a line that only touch the curve at only one point. So let's try to find where is the tangent line to the curve. It might be here, or it might be here, or maybe here. Let's say we have these three possibilities and check which one is the right one. The blue one here touches 2 points, which is at point P and also here. So this is not what we want, since the tangent line means it only touch at 1 point. So this is not what we want. Red line also touches 2 points. So this is also not what we want. But the green line here touches at only 1 point, which is at point P. So this is what we want to find. So the green line here is called as the tangent line to the curve at point P. Now, after we have the tangent line, so we need to find the equation of this line. Remember that tangent line is a straight line, so the equation must be something like this: y is equal to mx plus with c. Thus we need to find what is m at point P, and we know that m is a slope, and by the definition that we have learned before, we can compute m by using this formula. Okay, now let's try to do the following example. Find an equation of the tangent line to the parabola y equal to x squared at the point P11. Okay, the equation asks us to find an equation of the tangent line, and is given the equation of the curve, which is y equal to x squared, and also given the point P11. So let's first see how the curve looks like. Okay, I'm using a graphing calculator. So the graph looks like this: y equal to x squared, and then we need to find an equation of the tangent line at point P11. So this is point P11. So the line maybe looks like something like this, the straight line that only touch at point P11. So we need to find the equation of the straight line. Okay, now we need to collect all information that are required in the equation of line, which is the function of the curve, the equation of the curve, which is y equal to x squared. So this is given, and then we need to know the point, and also this is given, which is at point P11, and also we need to find the slope, which is m, but this is not given, so we need to find what is m. So by using the formula of the tangent line, tangent, we already learned before. So m is equal to limit of fx minus with fa over x minus a, where x is approaching to a. So now what is fx, what is fa, what is a? So we need to find here the function is fx. The function here is fx, and then a is referring to a point here, x approaching to a point, so a point here is P, and x is approaching to the x coordinate, so a is referring to a here is referring to 1, Therefore FA is F1. So by our equation here of our function here, so we replace x with 1, so we have 1 square, so which is equal to 1. So we just substitute into the equation here. We have, so m is equal to limit x approaching to 1, fx is, okay, we know that fx is equal to x square minus with fa is equal to 1 over x minus 1. Okay, now we substitute x with 1, so we have 1 square minus 1, we have 0. Here 1 minus 1 also we have 0, so 0 over 0 known as indeterminate form. Therefore we need to factorize the equation here, the polynomial equation here, so at the numerator. So we have plus minus here x and 1, so x plus 1, x minus 1 over x minus 1. So this is the same term, so we can cancel. So we have limit x approaching to 1 for x plus 1, and then we replace x with 1, so we have 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So we already have the slope. So let me erase this first. And then we have m is equal to 2. Now back to our question. The question asks us to find the equation of tangent line, and we know that tangent line is a straight line, y equal to mx plus c. And then the formula to find a straight line is y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So x1 and y1 is referring to a point. So this is x1, this is y1. So we just plug into the formula. So y minus with y1 is 1, m is equal to 2, x is x, minus x1 is 1. So solve this equation. We have 2x minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2x minus 1. So this is our equation of a tangent line. So let us see the line here at the curve. So I also have the curve. So this is the blue line here is the equation of y equal to 2x minus 1, which is known as our tangent line to the curve y equal to x squared at point x1 y1. So that's what we want. So the final answer is this. That's all. Thank you.